Hi! So, I'm on my third box that came from Japan. So, eto na po yung mga orders niya. Open na po ulit natin. Let's start checking. So, my first box. Tingnan natin if lahat ng orders nyo andito na. Oops. So, kakarating ko lang. I picked these boxes up. And, yep. So, let's see. Okay. I've got Bourbon. Naipit ang box ng Roto. So, Roto. So, kasama sa unboxing si Diabal naman. Bonchoy. You wanna check? So, Roto. Okay. How many nilagay ko dito? I can't see that. Okay. Medyo naipit ang konti yung box. But they're all fine. Roto. So, that's check. Okay. Next, we have this Meiji Black Chocolate na 26 blocks. So, I've got this one. Meiji. So, yep. Only 2 pieces there. Okay. Next. Baby powder. So, how many? Okay, good. We've got the baby powders. I have the DHC. Collagen. So, this is dapat 5. So, yeah. We've got the collagens. That's the key. We've got the collagen powder. This one's Lottie. Collagen powders for you. So I have 3. Where is that? Lottie. Okay. What else? I have this one is the eye drops na for if you're wearing contact lenses. So this is Lycee 3. Should be 3. Ayun. 3. Okay. So, meron tayo yan. Okay. This is the slimming pills. Kokando slimming pills. So, order to sa akin. Thank you very much. Let's see, check. We have this is Pino hair mask. So, I've got Pino hair mask here. Okay, let's check. This is the Subaki hair mask. Okay. So, ganyan po siya dumadating sa akin. Yung mga fragile items are in bubble wrap. So, where is that? Hair mask is also a check. Then, we have your cow soap in blue. So, how many to? The blue one is 3. Yes, it's a check. Ayan, 3 pieces. Okay. Isa na lang po ang available kasi itong dalawa order to. So, if you're watching and you like some better, send me a message. So, this is the Subaki hair and shampoo conditioner set. So, yan. Order din to sa akin. Check, check, check. Nakakatuwa. Ang nakakatuwa sa pagtitinda para ka na rin nag-shopping. So, I have the tuna. This is Hagomoro tuna. So, ayan. Sarap to, guys. It's so yummy. 3 pieces na siya per order. It's only $2.50. So, the tuna is also a check. Let's see. This is the Skin Aqua. Skin Aqua. So, syempre, diba, is a must. Skin Aqua is a check. Kailangan natin yan. Sunblock. I also have the Senka Perfect Whip in Collagen and Senka Perfect Whip in Medicated. So, ayan, mga nakabubble wrap po. Ating mga items. So, check tayo sa mga Senka. Okay, then we also have the Subaki Hair Water. Hair water. Yep. This is the Holy Grail Subaki shampoo, hair mask, hair water. Then we have the cow soap in red. This is 6 pieces per pack. Ayan. Cow soap. And that's our first box. It's a check. Cow soap. Okay. Moving on. Yeah. Let's open the second box. Kailangan natin maging careful kasi syempre we don't wanna cut. Cut natin accidentally ang mga nasa loob. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? We have pistachio. Pistachio, okay. So, 3 pieces pistachio. Isa na lang available nito. I have macadamia. This is Meiji macadamia. It's a bestseller. So, there. Meiji macadamia is a check. 3 pieces check. Alright. Then, okay. So, ito na nga yung mga bourbon. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ang dami ko na ito. Ayan. Kasi, masarap yan. It's cookies with chocolate. Biscuits with chocolate. So, it's so yummy. Favorite natin yan. Bourbon choco. Okay, then we have the dark maple. This is also super sarap. 3 pieces only. Dark maple. Yeah. So, isa na lang din available. Isa na lang sobra ko niyan. We have the Kit Kat strawberry, guys. Kit Kat strawberry. This also a check. Strawberry. That's strawberry. Then we have the Kit Kat matcha. Sorry guys, so sold out for today's video. Okay, na-reserve na siya lahat. Kit Kat matcha. Where is the list of the matcha? Oh, I can't see. So blind, yo. So this is Meiji variety. Meiji variety. Okay. So, ilan ba itong variety ko? Meiji variety. Lagay pa natin sa listahan. Mga friendship. Oh. Ayan. 3 variety chocolate. Then, I have fresh cream. Okay. Hindi ko alam pa kung anong pinagkaiba nito. The other one's gold, the other one's orange. But they're both fresh cream. I only have one each. The gold and the orange. So, ano pang hinahanap natin? Gummies, stars. Okay. So, meron na pong bata na nakasakay po sa box at kinamot na po ang box, mga kaibigan. Kasama po ba to sa Japan? Naangkin na po ang pangalawang box. Okay. So, okay tayo sa fresh cream. Then, let's open this one. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so, ito yung kasamaan ng vitamin C. Oh, vitamin C. This one's order. Vitamin C, check tayo, check. Okay, then, gummies. So, this is, oh, I have apple gummies. Okay, so, we have gummies. This one's grapes. This one's apple. I also have peach gummies. Then, ito, blueberries. So, let's count how many do we have here. Grape gummies. Grape gummies is 3. This is so it's tatlo ba ito? Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 3, 3. Okay. So, Dars. Ito lang yung Dars na tumating. So, wala yung ibang flavors that was originally ordered. So, check ko pa kung kukunin to. So, yan lang available that time. It's only 1 piece. So, we also have the milky. Tada! So, ito. 5 pieces. Milky biscuit. Okay. Then, yung Pocky, strawberry. So, hindi rin to yung originally na in-order. This one, I think, is smaller, pero yan lang yung tumating. So, i-check pa natin kung i-avail ba siya nung original na nag-order. And everything's good. So, just the noodles. Maraming noodles again. Yep, isang box. See? All noodles. Okay? So, ayan na. Mag-ayos na ako ng orders. Thank you. Bye-bye!